Alright guys, welcome to Cabello, welcome to update for month number 6. Half a year guys, almost there. I can't believe it's been 6 months already of growing this patchy face that I have. It's been quite the journey. It's getting harder every day, to be honest, to keep being consistent, applying every single day, derma rolling, which is a pain in the ass, but it definitely works, as you can see on my mustache right here, right there. It's worked. If you see my first videos and I don't know, month 2, month 3, you can see that area was basically empty. Now it's getting like much stronger. You can kind of see it sometimes now. You can kind of see like a pencil line, as they call it. But anyways, yeah, let me just show you what my face looks like, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the second time I tried to record this on this camera. I don't know what's going on. My memory card is doing something weird. So this is my left side. This is what it looks like. Still have that little hole right here, and still this is actually getting fuller now. This little area right here, still have the little dimple, but I don't really care about that. I mean, that's not my main priority, to be honest. If I grow all of these to terminal hair and it grows fine, I don't care about this area. So here's the neck. I think it's getting better. Personally, I think it's growing more. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah. So here's the connector on the left side. And that's what that looks like. About the same, I would say. And the mustache, I've seen a lot of development in the mustache. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Oh, there we go. Yep. So you can see it's all like still vellus, but darker now, transitional as they call it. But there's a lot of coverage, and I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. I really like that. It's still growing, still going. And I think it looks better than last month for sure. So right side connector. Sorry for my dry face, by the way. I just showered. I haven't put moisturizer on. But yeah, this is the right side connector. You can see there's a lot more vellus now. A lot more coverage, sorry. And it's definitely getting there, as you can see. So here's the chin, looking nice as always. Getting fuller on this area right here. You can see all this terminal hair right here that came. Then underneath the chin, it's kind of hard to record, and it's kind of dark, but there you go. You can see there's the terminal that I have there, but it's kind of like growing to this side. So let's go with the right side. That's what the right side looks like right now. The right side is my weakest side. As you can see by the connector, this hole right here, and how less dense it is compared to this side. And then that's the neck area of the right side, which, funnily enough, the neck area is like the only area on my right side that's stronger than the left side. So yeah, that's interesting. Anyways, what else? I'm thinking of growing my beard. Yeah, that sounds crazy. This crazy patchy beard, yeah, I know. But I kind of want to see what it looks like, so I'm gonna let it grow. I don't know if you noticed, but since last time I trimmed and kind of let this thing get wider at the sideburns, and then I let the neck beard kind of grow more, since I kind of want to grow the beard a little bit longer. The only part I'm gonna be trimming is these two, like this little patch right here and this little patch right here, just because I really don't want to look like this guy. Yeah, that's not the look I'm going for. But yeah, guys, so 6 months of minoxidil. I am definitely really happy that I started this journey. What can I tell you? I honestly thought by 6 months it was gonna be fuller and whatnot, but I did start with like very little, especially on my cheeks. You should go see the first video. I definitely recommend it, so you can see the difference, because it really looks like a patchy beard right now, and it is. But when you see where I was 6 months ago, it's kind of crazy. So definitely go check that out. Comment below what else you would like to see. I've been thinking of maybe doing a video on beard dye, on a patchy beard, see what happens. So yeah, if you're interested in watching that, make sure you subscribe, give a like to this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.